Hi, I'm Fiona from Channeling Martha, and this is the card that started my love affair with hot foil plates. Back in January 2022, Altenew released the Golden Days hot foil plate and colouring stencils. I was lucky enough to be asked to create something with these products for the new release. Since then, I've been experimenting with their range of ink sprays, which coordinate beautifully with their line of inks. Today, I'm going to show some of the steps that I took to create this next card. All right, first I dry embossed my card front using the hot foil plate and my die cutting machine's directions for doing this. Then, following the numbering system on the stencils, I taped them down so that I would be able to put them into my spray box for easy spraying. I used Mountain Mist for my first spray. Make sure you give it a good shake. And then once I'd done my spraying, I made sure that I reused the tape and then put the stencil into a container of water so I can clean it later. Okay, and then I used stencil number 2, lining it up carefully. This time I used Lagoon as my ink spray. Make sure that you shake it up well. All right, for the third layer, I decided that I would use a ink this time because you can put inks over the top of sprays. And this time I decided to go quite dark with emerald. So I quickly taped this down again. And this time I would use a small blending brush to get that ink onto the card. Now, something that I thought I should mention is that with this fourth stencil, I do have one part where it is starting to be very, very delicate, so I have to be careful. I have used these stencils quite a bit, and it is just something to keep in mind because they are quite delicate. This time I needed to go for an even darker ink, so I was looking at the new range of jewel tones that Altenew has brought out, and I decided to go with green onyx. I just love it when I get to finish off these stencils and reveal them each time. It just makes me feel so good seeing how they develop as you put each layer on. Now what I'll do is allow this to dry while I work on the background. I have the fine tool stencil, and this time I am going to use a gold pigment ink and keep it looking quite organic, so there'll be hit and miss places just to give it a different look. And there's my background. Now I get to choose what orientation I will have for this rose. Okay, and now you get to see the final cards that I actually made as a set using that same method that I've just shown you. I did put a die cut hello on there and used a sentiment strip along with a banner. These cards, I am giving you the chance to win them by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I'm having this competition open until the 30th of April. It's open worldwide and it's not sponsored by YouTube or Instagram or anyone else. And I will contact the winner personally to organise the postage. I hope you enjoyed watching my first video. I hope to be able to make plenty more of them and also have these little giveaways of things that I've made. Thanks again for watching. Bye.